Today, we'll explain the health benefits of water kefir and how you can make the most of them. So, let's get started. Improves digestive health. Water kefir promotes the growth of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that aid in digestion. Regular consumption leads to a better nutrient absorption and helps prevent and treat intestinal issues like diarrhea, colitis, and irritable bowel syndrome. Elevates mood. Improving your gut health also enhances your mood due to the strong connection between the two. Drinking kefir can help reduce depression and anxiety, providing an immediate sense of well-being and relaxation. Additionally, kefir contains amino acids that supports the nervous system, aiding in the fight against depression, improving sleep, and boosting concentration. Restores intestinal microbiota. After strong bacterial infections, antibiotics are often prescribed, which can wipe out both harmful and beneficial bacteria in the digestive system. Water kefir helps restore the beneficial intestinal microbiota, making it a powerful ally in recovery. Fights bacterial and viral infections. Water kefir boosts the immune system by stimulating the production of certain components that are essential for fighting off pathogens that cause illnesses. Activates circulation. Kefir enhances blood circulation, which improves the function of internal systems and organs while aiding in the body's purification process. But before we continue, let's put you to the test. What is the process by which kefir grains ferment sugars to create the drink? Lactic fermentation, alcoholic fermentation, acidus fermentation, malolactic fermentation. Think about it carefully because at the end of the video you can check if you were right. How to make water kefir. Start by placing a tablespoon of water kefir grains into a clean, dry glass jar. Add 1 liter of water and half a cup of sugar or honey. You can also add about 2 grams of fruit like pineapple, which pairs well with kefir's flavor and provides extra fructose to nourish the culture. Other good options include lemon, kiwi, apple, or dried fruits like raisins or figs. Cover the jar with a thin cloth secured by a rubber band to keep out fruit flies while allowing oxygen in. Store the jar in a dry, dark place at a temperature between 25 and 30 degrees Celsius. After 3 days, the kefir will be ready to drink. Strain the mixture, reserving the clean tibicas or grains with a little of the liquid to start a new batch. If you want to pause production, you can store the tibicas or the grains in the refrigerator in a covered jar with some of the liquid, where they can be kept indefinitely. When you're ready to start again, discard the first batch as it might be too bitter. It is recommended to drink kefir in moderation, beginning with a small amount, about a shot glass, and gradually increasing to 1 glass per day, allowing your body to adjust to it. Contraindications. Due to its alcohol content, even if low, water kefir is not recommended for those taking medication, as it might interfere with the drug's effectiveness. People on blood clotting medications or immunosuppressants should also avoid it. While most of the sugar is consumed during fermentation, diabetics should exercise caution, as some sugars may remain. The drink's acidity can also aggravate conditions like gastritis or acid reflux. Additionally, it is not recommended for pregnant or lactating women. Now, about the question we asked you before, have you thought it through? The correct answer is B, alcoholic fermentation. Well, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. As always, don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Until next time.